Welcome everyone to Tutorial Tuesday. It's week number 5, 2020. I'm so glad that you're along with us. Hey, I apologize for the late delay this morning, but I had to wrap up some things. No worries, I have a couple of announcements, then we'll get into your questions. Announcement number 1, I put together the first 10-minute tutorial on exposure. Go ahead and swipe over to my YouTube channel and watch that. It's me and Joe in the snow yesterday, big snowstorm, lots of fun with a backlight, so check that out. Announcement number 2, again, I have a September workshop out at the DX Ranch with Jen Zeller, aka the South Dakota Cowgirl. Swipe over, check that out, and sign up. I can't wait to see you out there. It's a magical place. Let's get into your questions now. Now this right here is a very, very troubling phenomenon when your 10-gallon hat doesn't hold 10 gallons. In fact, I think my 1-gallon hat won't even hold a gallon. We better get scientists on this. Let me break in this comedy portion real quick and say, for all the participants that are coming down to the June workshop in Torrey, you guys are in for a real treat with Bruce and I. And Bruce, thank you for co-hosting. If you guys really want to look up some mind-numbing facts about photography, look up Circle of Confusion, because when I do, I often find that I wander around in a circle of confusion after that kind of material. Okay, in all seriousness, when we pick up a camera and we take a picture, we don't really think about the technology involved in creating that final image. But if you look up Circle of Confusion, you're going to find that it's a direct correlation to, in photography, we find a direct correlation between Circle of Confusion and acceptable range of focus or depth of field. So take a look at that. Now, you don't have to go out and go, well, what's my Circle of Confusion? But it's good to have that knowledge. Bruce, I do think that we need to start a support group for photographers that find themselves wandering around in a circle of confusion, and also those that are stuck on backlight like me.